Parents are navigating contradicting guidelines on students wearing a mask in schools. The American Academy of Pediatrics says everyone, vaccinated or not, should wear a mask in school. The CDC says masks only need to be worn by those that are unvaccinated. WAAY 31's Olivia Schuler spoke to a Madison City Schools parents about their concerns.
The American Academy for Pediatrics recommends universal mask wearing in schools because so many students are ineligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine and a rise in variant cases. Laura Harper says she'll go as far as taking her kids out of Madison City schools if they don't change their masking policies for unvaccinated students.
What's frustrating for me is that while there's a lot of disagreement amongst the experts, so what is consistent across all experts, and they all agree that if a person is unvaccinated and is going to be indoors in a space where social distancing is not possible, that they should be masked.
The CDC says masks should be worn by all of those older than 2 if they're not eligible or are unvaccinated. The CDC also says vaccinated people don't need to wear a mask. But the American Academy of Pediatrics says across the board, vaccinated or not, everyone in a school should mask up. Harper believes when it comes to kids 12 and up, they should decide whether or not to wear masks.
It makes no sense to me that schools would not follow what is universally accepted advice from medical experts.
Dr. Karen Landers says state health department recommendations will be the same as the CDC for mitigation and prevention of COVID-19, including masks for unvaccinated persons or persons not eligible for the vaccine due to age. But Dr. Landers says ultimately schools can choose whether or not they want to adopt these rules. As of right now, the Madison City school system is leaving masking a choice for all.
I don't want to go back to homeschooling. I've done it. Virtual school did not work well for my younger kids. I work full time. My husband works full time. It's kind of a nightmare. But I can't send my kids into a situation that I feel endangers their health.
Harper is asking that Madison City schools consider the CDC's guidelines. Huntsville City Schools announced that on Monday they will have an emergency meeting to discuss safety and health procedures. Olivia Schuler, WAAY 31 News.